Hey, I need you to listen very closely. I hope you can pause and listen. In this episode, I'm going to tell you 7 things that you must stop saying this year. 7 things that if you stop saying this, your Chinese will go to the next level. So are you ready to know what these 7 things are? I'm Jay, and welcome to my Chinese learning journey. So let's rock and roll. So we're going to the number 1 thing is stop saying 我中文不好. Stop saying that. You know what? Once you say this to Chinese or other Chinese learner, they will close their ears. Once they close their ears, you will not going to have a good conversation. So here's the reason why you should stop saying this phrase 我中文不好. This phrase limit your confidence and undermine your mindset. Here's the reason, and let me tell you, once you said 我中文不好 to a Chinese or other Chinese learner, they will find, oh, you're not confident, you cannot understand us. So how can this conversation keep going? And this is not the worst thing. You know, we Chinese always want to find a chance to practice our English. And once you said 我中文不好, you are indicating that we can use English or your mother tongue. So you miss it, and you won't have the chance to practice your speaking. So what I mean, stop saying 我中文不好, but what should I say? I got you. Now, the alternative is 我仍在学中文，请多担待。Oh man, you know what? Once you said 我中文不好, okay, people will mind that, okay, close my ears. I don't want to hear anything from him. But now, once you said 我还在学中文，请多担待. Man, they are opening their ears. And they will say, okay. Let me listen to you and I will help you. See the difference? Try it again. 我仍在学中文，请多担待. Wow, man, you gotta receive lots of help. Number 2 thing I want you to stop doing is stop saying 这太难了. Stop saying this. You know why? Let me give you an easy example. Back to my school time, my score is higher than the average, and people always came to me. When I said 这太难了, okay, what is the following words? That must be I cannot fix it out, right? So what the average will consider? We are not as good as Jay. He cannot do this. We certainly cannot do this, right? So this phrase discourages people inspired than you. So this phrase is discourage yourself and people you inspired. It also limits your personal growth. Everybody will respect people who challenge himself. Nobody really laugh at you. And you know what? If you say, oh, 这太难了，我做不到, your brain start working. Why your brain always work hard and fix a proper answer for a good sentence? That's because it's not difficult. You will do this. So I believe you. I care about you. I want to express your confidence. Okay, what is the alternative? The alternative should be 这有挑战性，我想搞清楚. Man, you know what? Once you said this, I will try my best. I will give my all to you. I will help you all. I will try my best to help you get this answer, get the right solution. So you see the difference? Once you said this, 这太难了. Your brain don't work. You limit yourself. You discourage the others. But you change into the alternative. They are looking at you. They respect you. They will not laugh at you. They will say, once Jay succeeds, we will come to him together and let him share the experience. You are still the leader. You see that? You are still inspiring the others. So stop saying 这太难了 and place it 这有挑战性。我想搞清楚。See that? The number 3 thing, what I want to mention is stop saying 我等下试试。You know what, man? You are living in a space for doubt and uncertainty. What do you mean? Are you want to delay about this? Once you met a difficulty, then you delay this. So how can this finally be fixed? Man, difficulty cannot be fixed just by delay this and avoid this. So what I want you to say is 我现在尽我最大能力试试 Such a difference. You know what? You are trying this now, and I guarantee you will get fast try, fast result, and fast feedback. People will respect you and not laugh at you. Man, you do this. You're doing your best. I hope you can feel my passion to help you keep going in your Chinese learning journey, and I'm here to provide my all to help you in learning Chinese. So don't be shy, don't be lazy, and just do it. Just do it now. And give the feedback. And you realize that, just as also Chinese is not difficult. This is the effect what I want to mention. So let's say this again. 我现在尽我最大能力试试。Man, you got the key question. You got the key reason. And I believe in you. I care about you. I know you will do your best and you do it. You get it. The number 4 thing I want to express is stop saying 我不用你帮。I'm your friend, and I'm native Chinese. I got lots of friends on 小红书, and guess what? They are suffering a lot and they don't feel confident in writing and speaking. I know the importance of help. So this phrase prevents others' assistance and support. This is the real limit. Once you say 我不用你帮, okay, I respect you and I provide no help. You know what? Mistake comes. Error comes. Then the circle is mistake, error, all the way till this harms you a lot. In order to avoid this harm, I suggest you say this alternative. 感谢你帮我，有你帮我，真好。I feel the warm reply. It's warm. It's inspiring. You know what? Once you say this to a Chinese or other Chinese learner, they will provide their help like me. They will donate their 100% to you. And let people help you. You become a better individual. You make fast progress and you get better understanding. So let's say this again. 感谢你帮我，有你帮我，真好。Man, let people help you. Alright, the number 5 thing I want to mention is stop saying 这不可能. I'm native Chinese, and I saw lots of foreigners speak Chinese. Their speaking is impressive. I always see them doing what you think is impossible. Nothing is really impossible, man. Every difficulty gets the right solution to make it easy. I see somebody is 80 years old, but still learning Chinese. I see somebody learn Chinese for decades, but he still cannot be fluent. It doesn't matter your age, it doesn't matter your ability. Nothing is really impossible. And this phrase, 这不可能, indicate flinch. This limits your creativity and confidence. Chinese is actually a flexible language. So, as you want, you can express. No grammar, no conjugation, no actual limit. So, try this alternative. 这比我想象的难，但我相信有办法会解决。Man, you are challenging yourself. We respect you. We're here to help you. We hope you can do it well. And we always believe that you are the leader. Let's say this again. 这比我想的难，但我相信有办法解决。You are challenging, and you finally get it. I believe you, and I'm here to provide all my help. And I believe you. You believe me. Let's work together to fix this difficulty, to make it possible. This is the real charming. You know what? Your past 5 things, and the last 2 things, I will make it together. First, it's about a sentence. Stop saying 我学中文. Okay, this sentence is okay. It has no grammatic problem. But you know what? This sentence is not specific. We all know you are learning Chinese. But in this sentence, you just say, I learn Chinese. Okay? In our Chinese mindset, in our Chinese expression style, are you learning now? Or what were you learning? Are you going to learn? You don't mention this. So this is the question. Plus a character. Plus a single character to make it specific. 在 between 我 and 学. 我在学中文. Okay, man, you are mentioned you are learning Chinese. Okay, let's help you. Let's help you. I will open my ears and I will provide my help. And this is clear. 我在学中文. Don't say 我学中文, but 我在学中文. Clear, right? And the last thing. Stop input learning, but instead output learning. Hey Joe, what do you mean? This is very easy to understand. Stop reading too much. Stop just studying alone. Talk to your friend. Talk to someone. Use your language. And use your creativity. Learning Chinese is like playing Lego blocks. You place the block, you place the block, you place the block, then combine together, sentence. Just like that. So, do more output learning. Speaking, singing, listening, communicate. And spend less time on input learning. See that? This is very easy. Okay, we will just mention about 7 things that you should not do this year. And this is the content in this episode. We're done. Man, are you really thinking about this? It's done? Okay, I want to mention a little bit. This year, I set up a goal for myself. I want to help 100 people to learn Chinese. So, if you have any question about Chinese, this comment area is prepared for you. You have any question about Chinese culture, grammar, expression, or just want to ask a question, comment me below. I will seriously reply. This is Jay, and I'm here to accompany you walking in your Chinese learning journey. So, we're done now, and I hope to see you in the next video.